How to refund on Google Play. Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can refund on Google Pay. Now, to request a refund on Google Pay, it depends on the kind of transaction. All right, if it is for Google Play purchases, that is, you made purchases for an app through Google Pay for Google Pay application. Then what do? You go to your Google Play Store then. All right. So once you're in your Play Store, move to the top right corner and click on your profile icon, and then select in the profile in the options displayed, select payments and subscriptions, then click on budget and history. And then the next step would be for you to find the specific transaction you want to refund. Then once you find the specific transaction you want to refund, the next step will be for you to view the transaction. Then on the transaction page, the next thing will be for you to tap on request a refund or report a problem, and then select the reason for the refund. Once you've done that, follow the prompts to complete your refund request, and then refunds would most likely be available within 48 hours for apps and content. All right, that is one way. And then if you need a refund for an in-store or for an online purchase that you did through Google Play, then the next thing for this is for you to contact the merchant. This is because Google Play simply serves as a payment method. And so for in-store purchases, you would need to reach out directly to the merchant. So provide the transaction details from your Google Pay history and then relate it to your merchant, and then your refund will be processed. So that is it. Thank you for watching and have a good day.